right after the attack on Pearl Harbor, there was a genuine concern that the Japanese could attack Alaska and the Aleutian Islands, or the Alaskan Territory at that time, in a possible invasion of North America. So early on, aircraft were being transferred up to the 11th Air Force, which was set up in Alaska and Aleutians. They were flying long routes in cold weather in January of '42, often using outdated maps. Several of them ended up having to make emergency landings in, Yukon and northern British Columbia, and would get rescued by Canadian pilots on ski planes, and so it was an arduous journey to start with, and then of course flying patrol missions out of Alaska and the Aleutian Islands in fog, snow, low cloud cover. They really didn't have anything to do until June of 1942 again, when, as part of the Japanese plan to invade Midway, we're also going to send a diversionary strike into the Aleutian Islands, which included airstrikes on key facilities like Dutch Harbor and assaulting and occupying the islands of Attu and Kiska far out on the Aleutian chain. When that happened, the Marauders started to see combat out of the Aleutians for the first time, and included making attacks on the Japanese carrier fleet that was attacking Dutch Harbor. Again, they didn't have much of a good outcome, but they did attack the carriers. After that, the B-26s, while they were still there, were used to attack the Japanese installations on Attu and Kiska on a fairly regular basis from other airfields in the Aleutian Islands.